Hey everyone, welcome back to the Balanced Bite. Today is Vlogmas Day 10. I am so excited to share 2 protein shake ideas with you guys today. Not only are these healthy and balanced for you, but they are flavorful and designed for the holiday season. First up is the Chocolate Peppermint Shake. This one tastes like holiday in a glass. And it's so easy to make. The ingredients are as follows: 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract, half of a frozen banana for some creaminess, some ice cubes, and we're going to garnish it with some crushed peppermint. In a blender, first add your chocolate protein powder, then add your almond milk, then add your half of banana, your peppermint extract, and then follow that up with your ice cubes. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass. And there you have it, a refreshing minty shake that's guilt-free and totally Instagram worthy. Next up, for our peanut butter lovers out there, I have an amazing chocolate peanut butter protein shake. It's rich and creamy and so satisfying. So for your ingredients, you'll need chocolate protein powder again, some almond milk, peanut butter 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of honey, a banana, and some ice cubes. In your blender, you're going to go ahead and add your protein powder, and then your almond milk, then followed by your banana, and your peanut butter, then I added some honey for sweetness. You can add your own sweetener if you'd like, sugar, artificial sweetener, whatever it is you like. I'm trying to eat clean, so that's why I put the honey in there. And then lastly, you're going to put your ice cubes in there to make it more frothy and creamy. Okay, so now pour your protein shake into a glass. And then take I put some whipped cream on the top to hold the drizzle, and I have a peanut butter drizzle here. You just microwave the peanut butter in the microwave, and that's how you get this thin consistency. And it looks really nice. Then add your chocolate chips. I have about a tablespoon here, and just drizzle them on the top. And it looks beautiful. And it tastes good. This one is a healthy Reese's type flavor in a shake form. Perfect for when you want something indulgent but still want to be balanced. So that's it for day 10 of Vlogmas. Here are our beautiful protein shakes, festive, healthy, and really fun to drink. I hope you enjoy. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I really appreciate all your love that you've been giving me. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I put out 2 recipes a week during normal times, and during Vlogmas, I'm trying to put one out every day. So check out my channel. It's very well balanced and a lot of good ideas for this holiday season. Thanks so much, everybody. Take care and happy holidays.